Hi, Andrew here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning. I just had a look down in my workshop and realised we've got 5 Toyota 200 Series Landcruisers getting fit out today. It's actually not that uncommon for us at the moment, so I thought that we'd do a quick video, we'd do a run around, and then this afternoon we'll show you what we've been busy doing today. Okay, so back again, this is one of them that we've finished today. This one's had pretty much one of the most common jobs we do, these 200s. What we've done today is we've installed a second battery using the genuine second Toyota tray. This is actually the version that only came out with one battery, if you know. So we've used a genuine second tray in the other side. We generally end up installing some kind of light bar or spotlights. We've done a few of them, I'll show you them later, but this has got the Titan light bar on it. We've installed that today. We've installed the Red Arc BCDC 1240, we'll show you some close-ups of that, mounted behind the grill to help its cooling. We've installed an RACQ deep cycle battery on this one. The reason why is the customer's a tourer, and obviously with RACQ, nationwide warranty, no better battery for the tourer out there. Doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but will definitely do its job, and anywhere you are in Australia, you won't have an issue. We've also installed an Anderson plug that we'll show you down the rear and various outlets in the back. As I said before, we've used the factory Toyota tray. We do this because one thing that's very important with these systems is to use at least a 105 amp hour battery. There's other systems around where they fit a smaller battery up the back corner. You just do not get the fridge run time that everybody's looking for. With 105 you'll get at least 2 to 3 days, and it's really what you need in a system. So whenever you're looking at any different 200 series dual battery system, always ensure that you're going to get at least 100 or 105 amp hour battery in there. It's very important. We have a lot of customers who are disappointed with the performance when they use a smaller battery. Okay, so here we are down the back of the car. Now if you hear any strange noises, we actually back onto a gym, so ignore any background noise. The main reason why we installed this dual battery system is so the customer can run his fridge and charge various things at the back here. So the reason why we've got 4 outlets is we've got a cigarette socket, an angle, and a USB socket, and a voltmeter to top it off. Okay, so one other thing we've done on this vehicle is they come out with a factory cigarette lighter that's obviously wired to ignition. We've replaced that cigarette lighter with a dual USB port that's actually wired to the auxiliary battery permanent power. So that means you can charge your iPads and so on with the ignition switched off, or anybody in the back has constant power to run any sort of devices like that while you're traveling. Just a quick one, we've also run an Anderson plug. The reason why I'm showing you this one is we actually use the Trailer Vision Anderson cover. It's really neat. So we don't see many people using these, but we think it's pretty much a necessity on the back of such a good looking car. I'm going to show you yet another Toyota Landcruiser 200 series dual battery fit out we've done today. This one we've used the Supercharge All-Rounder 105 amp hour battery, so again that'll give you 2 to 3 days running with your fridge in the rear. We've also fitted some lovely King spotlights, always a challenge, but they're going on quite well. And this one we've used the Red Arc 1225 BCDC in the front. And that's really most of it. We'll show you some close-ups of what we've done under the bonnet. Okay, and here we are down the back of the vehicle. Now it seems to be our standard, but we just keep seeing customers want to do it this way, see it this way, and we keep doing it. So what we end up doing is cigarette socket, angle socket, and then dual USB socket with a voltmeter as well. It seems to work quite well, give customers all the options. One thing we do a bit differently is we run a couple of separate feeds down here. You'll find sometimes it's easy just to run one feed and loop it all up. What that means is if you have a problem in one circuit, everything goes. So you'll notice up the front there was a couple of different fuses, and that fuses this all individually. Okay, and another touch that we've added to it, even though we've fitted the King's spotlights kind of thing, we actually have fitted a factory looking switch. Rather than using the one supplied with the kit, we use this and it makes it a much more professional install and actually fits into the other switches quite well. Alright, because I always get the outro wrong, I'm going to grab Bryony in to help me out.
Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want any more information on Toyota Landcruiser 200 series, dual battery systems, light bar installations, or you have any questions in general that need to be answered, feel free to comment below, drop us an email to info@amae.net.au, or give us a call on 1300 227 353. Thanks, guys.
And that's why she does that bit.